Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products filled with chemicals and additives? Why not try DIY skincare recipes using natural ingredients for radiant skin? Here are 3 essential products to kickstart your journey. 1. US Organic Beeswax, a versatile ingredient for DIY enthusiasts. Use it to make homemade candles, lip balms, body creams, and more. It moisturizes and protects the skin, leaving it soft and supple. 2. Now Solutions Sweet Almond Oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It improves skin tone and texture while retaining moisture. Use it as a moisturizer or in homemade serums, lotions, and massage oils. 3. Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, a multi-purpose oil for DIY skincare. Hydrates dry skin, soothes irritation, and fights acne-causing bacteria. Use it as a makeup remover, body moisturizer, hair mask, or as a base for homemade scrubs and masks. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.